Hello, welcome to Coffee and Forest Packing. I'm Jessica Kim and I'm in charge of our international market for almost 13 years. And our company established in 1986. We are mainly doing paper box, paper bag, cardboard box and many paper packaging. And our export market to US, Australia and European countries with about more than 100 countries. And we have very professional team and advanced machine, and we keep our promise to add value to customers' product. And we believe we would keep doing the best packing to customers from all over the world. And we have a very professional team, professional factory. So when you choose us, that means we would work together and tightly, and we would win future together. So thank you so much. Choose us. If you have time, come to Shanghai, come to China, and please contact us to visit us. Then you would see what we are, and seeing is believing. So come to visit us. Thank you.